So during the extrusion process of Boxcutter, you can press Shift T, and that will put you in the modal state of taper, where you can basically taper your shape. You can also press D and go into Helper and enable taper as a modifier, and then from there begin actually jumping through to quick preferences where you can taper the shape on the fly. In fact, there's a adjustable drop down where you can expand it and choose various things from making it persistent, and the new option of Keep Lattice. Basically, by clicking Keep Lattice, after you confirm the operation, a lattice will be kept behind in the cutter collection that can then be accessed and used to make further modifications to the shape in the event that you weren't able to get it modified to the level that you wanted to while using Boxcutter's taper operation. So here I'm able to just go in and adjust the taper of this object after the fact. Let's do it again. I'll draw another shape. This shape's automatically being tapered, so once we click and apply, I can just enable its lattice as well, and from here just perform a box select and just move this shape however I need to in order to get a very specific type of shape for this particular area. But just in the event that you want to reserve your lattice after a taper operation, there's an option for it now. This option is also available underneath shape. If we look under taper, there's an option for persistent and keep taper lattice, just like we were looking at inside of the helper. So in the event that you want to keep the lattice of your taper for adjustment after the fact and not affect any other operations, there's now an option just for that.